Welcome to our guide on how to view all the groups you've joined on the WhatsApp PC app with the latest update. If you're someone who juggles multiple groups and wants to keep track, this new feature is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First, open your WhatsApp account on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, look at the top of your screen. You'll see a search bar. Click on the filter icon located at the top of this search bar. This will open up some new options for you to explore. Now, from the filter options that appear, click on Groups. This will instantly narrow down your search to only show the groups you're a part of. It's a convenient way to focus on your group chats without sifting through all your individual conversations. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with a list of all the groups you've joined. Browse through the options to find the specific group you want to access. Whether it's for family, friends, work, or hobbies, everything will be neatly organized for you. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly view all your WhatsApp groups on the PC app after the new update. It's straightforward and saves you time, making your chatting experience much more efficient. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using your favorite apps. Happy chatting!